mean? Arithmetic mean is simply the mean or average for a set of data or a collection of numbers. In mathematics, we deal with the different type of mean such as arithmetic harmonic mean, geometric mean, and geometric harmonic mean. The term arithmetic mean is just used to different from the other means such as harmonic and geometric mean. The arithmetic mean is a good average. It is sometimes known as average, but it cannot be used in some cases like the distribution has open-end classes. The distribution is highly sweet average R. Arithmetic mean in statistics. The measure of central tendency enables us to make a statistical summary of the enormous organized data. One such method of measure of central tendency in statistics is the arithmetic mean. This condensation on a large amount of data into a single value is known as the measure of central tendency. As for example, in the early morning while reading the newspaper, have you observed the daily temperature reports? Well, the temperature varies all day, still how a single temperature can indicate the condition of the entire day. Or when you get your score in some state of analyzing your performance based on the percentage in all subjects. The performance is based upon the aggregate percentage. The significance of indicating a single value of large for a large amount of data in real life makes it easy to study and analyze the collection of data and deduce important information out of it. Let us discuss the arithmetic mean in statistics and its applications here in details. What is arithmetic mean in statistics? The most common measure of central tendency in the arithmetic mean in layman's terms. The mean of data indicates an average of the given collection of data. It is equal to the sum of the all the values in the group of data divided by this total number of values. As for example, for n value in a set of data analyzed as x1, x2, x3 xn, the mean of data is given as. The formula will be x bar equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 xn by n. N is the number of items. This is the another formula. X bar equal to summation I n equal to 1 xi by n. In frequency term, AM means arithmetic mean formula for calculating the mean when the frequency of the observation is given such that x1, x2, x3 xn is the recorded observation and f1 f2 and f3 fn is the respective frequency of the observation. Then the formula is x bar equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 fn xn, f1 plus f2 plus f3 fn divided. Part 1. For the continue the next example, please subscribe and like the more video. Thank you very much.